Hey, what is up guys, FZM here. This will be a quick speed test between the Razer Phone Special Edition versus Huawei P10 Plus. So let's begin. I'm going to boot up both devices at the same time. Let's check it out. The Huawei P10 Plus coming in strong ahead of the Razer phone by a few seconds. Nice. Round 2. Let's check out the speed of the apps. Let's go. Let's begin with the phone dialer. Neck and neck. Play Store. The Razer phone. Let's go to YouTube. P10 Plus was faster. Okay, camera. I'd say the P10 Plus. Next up, let's go into Snapchat. The P10 Plus again. Okay, let's go into Shazam. Pretty much the same. Next up, let's go to Mixer. And we can see the Razer phone loading up all the feed first. Nice. Okay, let's go to 8-Ball Pool. The first game and the Razer phone. Cool. P10 Plus was a few seconds behind. Alright, let's go into Asphalt 8. Both are loading and let's take a look. And the P10 Plus coming in first. Nice. Let's go back to the home screen and continue to the speed test app. Checking the best server and the Razer phone coming in faster. Then again, the P10 Plus might be loading a different server, hence why it's taking a bit of time. I'll let you guys be the judge of that one. Okay, Temple Run 2. Looks like the Razer phone is coming out a little bit faster. Let's see. And any second. Yep, Razer phone loading up first. A few seconds faster than the P10 Plus. Okay, let's just press play on both phones and we'll leave it right here and come back to it for the RAM management. Next up, let's go to Boomerang. Let's take a quick snap and we'll keep that in memory for the round 3, the RAM management test. Okay, let's try Mario Run. So the games have been faster for the Razer phone. As a gaming phone, we expect that. So again, the Razer phone taking the lead. Cool. And Twitch. Next up, let's go into Netflix. And the Razer phone by a second. And Subway Surfers. Loading up on the Razer phone first. And again, coming out faster against the P10 Plus. Let's play and we'll come back to it. Okay, let's go into Instagram. And that's what we're talking about. Double tap. Okay, moving on. Let's go to the Google folder, into Play Movies, and let's take a look. About the same, no big differences. Okay, let's check out the multitasking of both phones or the RAM management, with YouTube starting off, held on the phones, Play Store, held in memory, going into Snapchat, and let's go to Shazam. Moving on to Mixer, all held in memory. Fantastic. Continuing on, let's go to 8-Ball Pool. Nice. Next up is Asphalt A. And again, reloading from where we were on the home screen. Excellent. Let's continue on with the RAM management test. Let's go to speed test so we can carry on from where we left. Let's go to Temple Run 2, resuming from where I played. So that's fantastic. Alright, let's go into the next app, which is Boomerang. So that snap that we took still held on memory. Okay, Mario Run is also held, so we can continue the game. Nice. Okay, let's go to Twitch. Slight refresh possibly for the Razer phone, no big deal. Next up, Netflix, Subway Surfers, and we're ready to resume on both phones. Nice. Exactly where we left. Back to the home screen, let's not fail next time. Okay, Instagram, and there we are, reloading the feed as we expect. Fantastic. Let's go into Google Play Movies. That's also held on memory. Superb RAM management and multitasking from both phones. Fingerprint speed test in 3, 2, 1, go. And I'll do a final reboot test. So let's see which is the fastest to do a full cycle. And 3, 2, 1, go. So let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comment section. Any Razer fanboys in the building? Or are you now on Team Huawei since they're creating some of the most slickest handsets in recent times? Let me know and keep dropping your suggestions as I'm always reading your comments. So keep them coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. And I'll catch you guys all on the next one.